Dr. Rao holds 3 PGs, MCOM, MBA, PG Diploma in Industrial Relations Personal Management, and a doctorate in the area of business management with specialization in employee retention strategies. He has over 30 years of experience in HR, IR, and administration with manufacturing and service industries. His net worth is his network. He is very strong in managing people, which created vibrant procedure work culture with no industrial unrest in his organizations wherever he worked. He was also recipient of Best Management Award from the government of Andhra Pradesh. Presently, Dr. Rao is associated with German MNC Mrs. White Turbo Private Limited, Hyderabad, as Vice President HR and Administration. Dr. Rao, as a human resource strategist, has expertise on the entire gamut of HR, particularly managing people, employee benefits, compliance, performance management, union negotiations, learning and development, to name a few. He's a dynamic and motivated professional with a proven record of generating and building relationships, managing HR projects from concept to execution. He's also proficient in managing cross-functional teams, demonstrating exceptional communication skills, and making critical decisions during the challenges and involved in the business operation as an apex level member. His decisiveness is his hallmark. Dr. Rao is a visiting faculty to different institutions, both in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. In recognition of his outstanding contribution and excellent performance and the growth of the organization, HMA is pleased to confer HR Manager of the Year Award 2021 on Dr. VCM Rao, Vice President HR and Admin. I request, congratulations Dr. VCM Rao, and request you come on to dais to take the award. Thank you very much.
Being presented by Hyderabad Management Association as part of the 48th HMA Annual Awards function here. Can I request Dr. VCM Rao Garu to say a few words?
Good evening. Thanks to the management of HMA and particularly the members of the jury for having considered me for this Best HR Manager Award for the year 2020. I know the role of a jury out of this was. At the same time, I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude to the management of White Turbo, particularly Mr. Klaus Meyer, who is the managing director. He is also here in this evening, for their continuous support and encouragement to run the industry in successful path, including human resources management, and reach to this platform. For my continuous success in my career for the last about 30 years, I appreciate the tremendous support of my family directly and indirectly. One thing very clear, the role of HR managers today in the current scenario, very challenging, complex, and dynamic. When we see for the last 1 year, particularly during the pandemic situation, one is safeguarding the interest of the management for sustaining the industry. The second one is protecting the employees for their livelihood, not well-being, for livelihood. And third one is balancing the influences of the government and the society. You can understand, visualize the tremendous pain, challenge, and also risk all the HR managers, how they have been passing through. Here particularly, success of Vyth Turbo during pandemic situation also, time to time, continuous strategy preparation well in advance, and proactive approach and taking the actions timely. These are all the main key elements which has helped us to sustain the industry and also running effectively. The interesting thing is there is no salary cut and there is no postponement of any benefits, and everything was paid on time, and even now also we are doing in the same way. One more important, finally I would like to mention here to the august members of this hall, the key factors for HR manager. I strongly believe this philosophy. There are two things. One is loving the people, caring the people, automatically you can manage the people. As long as you love and care, you can handle and manage the people successfully. Thank you all.